Hey guys, so, oh lord, my voice just went weird. We were starving our freaking bodies off. Like, we're about to fall over and die. There's nothing to eat or drink, nothing, just water. So, yeah, basically dead. My neighbor, she called me, and then we were talking for a long while, and she said that if I pay for her gas money, she'd take me grocery shopping, and I'm like, yes, let's do it right now. So we're about to leave. I just have to get Caden to go potty because he won't, and then get him dressed, and we're gonna go get some food because I'm basically like 100% dead right now because like I have the biggest headache. I just feel so sick. Haven't been eating food in like the longest time. We have no milk, eggs, butter, cheese. We have like nothing. Like, we can't even make anything. So yeah. Caden. I missed. Hey, no. You want me to try again?
Yeah.
You have to come closer. Yeah. Holy crap, guys. So we just got back. We got groceries. Some stuff up there. But what happened since the last time I talked to you, we went outside and we couldn't leave right away because my neighbor, she had a friend coming over. So then I just started shoveling snow and stuff, so we shoveled the entire driveway. She came out and actually started helping because her friend wasn't here yet. And, dude, does this look like a garbage to you on the ground? Can you sit down? I'll get you more food. Sit. Garbage. Put it in the garbage. Say please. So then we went inside her house and we hung out for a while, and then we went to get groceries, and we just got back. It's 8:37. And I have to put all these groceries away. The floor is all wet. I don't know if you can tell. It's like soaked. And because there's so much snow outside, like it's snowing like crazy. Like, we just shoveled and it's already like piling up like crazy. Like, it's snowing like not so out there. Like, that's nuts. So what? Puddle. Can you put your boots where they go? Where do your boots go?
Yeah.
No, that's not where they go, but okay. I'm gonna try to clean this mess up, and I was planning on doing a Valentine's Day craft video and like stuff for his grandparents and stuff, but we're just gonna have to try to do that tomorrow if we even have time. I'm not really sure. I gotta put all these groceries away.
No.
Thank you. Shove it all in there. More.
No.
Okay, thanks. You want one?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me and I'll get you one. Sit in your chair. You're a freak. I don't even know. He just randomly started doing that. Don't touch, please. Are you ready for bed? You ready for bed?
Yeah.
You ready for bed?
Mama.
So I put King to bed finally, and I was gonna clean, but I'm just way too tired, so I'll do that tomorrow. Dan, he's sleeping at his dad's tonight because he has to watch Brandon, and then he has to go to work tomorrow, so then he won't be back till like 4:30-ish tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice little vacation from him. But yeah, I'm gonna take a bath. I already filled up the tub. I just didn't want Caden to hear my voice and start talking again. And I don't know if I told you this or not, but you know how the cat isn't allowed in the bedroom. I don't know what he's thinking. He's not allowed in the bedrooms anymore because he pees on the bed. So the mattress is actually flipped over, and it's not one of those mattresses that you can flip over. It's like a one-sided mattress only, because it's like a futon mattress. So like the one side's the mattress, and then the other side is this really rough, hard thing. So yeah, we flipped it over because it smells like pee, and I didn't want to lay on that. Now I have to put this back. So yeah, I tried to clean it with like that stuff, the Febreze odor fabric thingy. That was after I used the Rug Doctor urine eliminator. That didn't work, and I tried rubbing it with water, soap, everything, and it still smells like pee. So it doesn't smell like pee when it's flipped over. It's just really uncomfortable, and it feels like you're sleeping on a rock. But you know, I'm gonna have to deal with that until I can afford to get a new mattress, which I'm thinking about buying soon. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till Dan gets home, and then he changes his clothes and leaves before I get into the tub, because we have to book his other driving test, because he did fail the one that he did yesterday. Was it yesterday? And I forgot to tell you the reason why. Here, I'll just sit right back down again. It's freaking cold in here. But the reason that he failed is something that doesn't really make any sense to me. I guess he was parallel parking, and instead of pulling in and then moving your back end into the parallel spot, which is how I thought that you parallel parked, I guess there's the other way. They want you to do it by pulling up and then backing in and then going forward, if that makes any sense, how I'm explaining it. So he was pulling up, and I guess the front left side of the car, like I don't even know how much, he said it wasn't very much, was over the line in the other lane when he was backing into parallel park. While he was in the other lane, a little pickup truck drove past, and I guess that's why he failed. Doesn't really make any sense, because like you can't really control the other car coming. Like he didn't think that it was gonna go past. Maybe he was supposed to do it when no cars were coming. I honestly don't know. I don't drive, but it seems like a really stupid reason to not pass. It doesn't really make any sense, but maybe he just didn't explain it very well. But that is why he had failed. That's the only really reason that he failed. So yeah, that really sucks. So we're gonna try to book it for the 25th, since he works most of the time except for the 25th. So we're gonna try to book it again for the 25th, and hopefully he gets it that time, because usually they only fail you once, just because they want you to practice more. I don't know, but usually I'm pretty sure once he does it the next time, he's gonna get it. So yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog now, because I am gonna get in the bath and I'm just gonna go to sleep after. Like, this day has been hard on me, and I'm exhausted, and I don't feel very well because I did it all on an empty stomach and haven't ate very well in the last couple days. I did eat a toasted tomato sandwich like a couple minutes ago, but it still doesn't take my headache away, because I haven't ate very well in the last couple days. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up, and I know you guys have been complaining that my intro has been way too long, and I've been meaning to make a new one, so I will be shortening it. I didn't know you guys were really bothered by it. I really liked that intro. I thought it was like the best intro that I ever did, and it was super cute and everything. But if you guys didn't like it, then I guess I can change it. I mean, you guys could always make me an intro and then send it to my email address, and then I'll use them periodically in different vlogs, just to feature your guys's intros that you made for me. But I guess I should just make a new one. It's just I've been so behind on my videos, and I'm trying to get caught up, and it's just really stressful being a YouTuber. It is stressful. Like, you think that a stay-at-home mom, some of people think that they don't do anything, and that is completely untrue. But being a stay-at-home mom YouTuber is even harder, but I still love it. I wouldn't change it for anything. But yeah, I'm blabbing on like crazy. I should probably go and rest my poor legs. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!